moving on now. And coming up next, we have the boss of HotPods. Yes. If you've not heard of her being referred to the boss, or being referred to as the boss, I should say, this is the person behind the company. Definitely. And she can do some amazing things. And we're about to bring her in. So let's just add to the stream there. Hello, boss. Are you there? Ooh. We're going back to that festival from earlier. Hello, boss.
So, hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Yes, good.
Good. I see you brought your helper with you today.
Yeah, yes. I'm back from the beer tent.
The little one.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to put you full screen, and you can just wow us with your talent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay,
right.
So hello everyone. So today I'm going to be attempting another Rubik's Cube versus HotPods challenge. Now, as some of you or most of you have probably seen on my channel all about chillies, I have done on YouTube, yes, not Facebook. I've done 2 Rubik's Cube versus HotPods challenges before, and now I'm doing.
And they were pretty cool because Dustin Johnson's done one.
Yes.
Joe Cuba Andrews has done one. I think Greg from Fire in the Hole has done one. So basically everybody who does Rubik's Cubes has attempted this.
Yes.
And there's no solid rules, is there?
No.
It's just, but how does it go? What's the challenge?
So basically, you have to get you have to get a Rubik's Cube, and you have to also get some hot sauces. And it doesn't matter if you have a few or if you just have one. It doesn't really matter. But what you have to do is you have to try and solve the Rubik's Cube. However, what you have to do is you have to have is it a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
It's a teaspoon.
It's a teaspoon of hot sauce every minute.
And I've left the spoon in the house. So you tell them about the challenge while I get the spoon.
Okay. So yes, it's quite hard because of the heat kind of gets to you, and you get like really like, oh, I'm not going to finish this. But in the end, you do, even though sometimes you make mistakes. Yeah, but it's a really fun challenge to attempt. Yes. Hello.
Hello. Right, spoon. So you can see it's a bit more than a teaspoon, but it's not quite a dessert spoon, but there's enough there to.
An Easter egg.
Yeah. Now the idea is that the hot sauce puts you off being able to do the Rubik's Cube as easily as you'd normally do it.
And it scares you that you're never going to get it done.
Yeah. So, and you only learnt to do it for this challenge, didn't you?
Yeah.
You haven't been. How long have you been able to do it?
I learned to do it because I was like, I've always wanted to do this, and it'll be good use of my time because I was actually doing it in a half term a few months ago.
Good. All right. So there's our spoon.
Lovely.
Let's have a look at what sauces that we've got.
Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, we've got your sauce.
Woo!
Tropical Storm. Now we haven't got Mild Beast because
it's a bit too mild.
It's too mild for this. This needs to be a bit of a challenge, yeah? So we have Tropical Storm. Then Neil has just been on doing chili bobs. We've got his Burmese mango. We did a video a little while ago where we picked the sauce out of Dan Reed's sauces.
And it was garlic.
And we went for garlic.
If you watch that video, you should go onto my channel on YouTube.
We have got Chili Project Bongo sauce. Yeah, we have got Badger's mild sweet pepper sauce. We have, who's this by again?
Born to Hula. Is it
Born to Hula pumpkin sauce.
Oh, I like
that Tracy sent me. And lastly, somebody who's not been at the Chili Festival, but is a great guy and has a great company, Psycho Chili. So we have his lemon drop heat wave.
Now, bear in mind, I might not be having all of these chili sauces. It starts here and ends here, so I'm guaranteed to have first few probably because this will be the first minute, second minute, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So it will maximum take me 10 minutes. Oh,
yeah.
So much to be prepared.
Yeah. And we don't know how long it's going to take. Right?
Because we
It
don't
can
have
vary.
that.
Depends how messed up the cube is, how you're feeling, and a little bit of luck.
I'm
So,
getting nervous.
there's our thoughts. Right. So I've got the Rubik's cube, okay,
Yes.
and I've got the timer. Okay, I'm using your mum's phone to do the timing.
Yes.
So, do you feel ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. All right, now wait. There's no way that we can do just one Rubik's Cube, is there?
I'm joking.
Because that would be too easy. So, how about we add a 2x2 as well? Yeah?
Oh yeah.
How does that look?
Okay.
Is that starting to worry you?
Mm,
Because as well as the 2x2, I also have the pyramid.
pyramids.
What's it called?
Pyramids.
Pyraminx. Sure.
P-Y. You know.
All right. But we're not stopping there, are we?
We've got more.
We're going to add, and this one is
Ivy cube?
the Ivy Cube.
My dad struggles to handle this. Like
This-
touch it.
This is a very strange one. Did you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, just to make it one last one, another normal 3x3. So two
Wow.
3x3s, a 2x2, a pyramid, and the Ivy Cube. So you have to solve all of these 5 whilst having hot sauce spoonful every minute.
I think I could do this in 7 minutes. I'm not sure.
Okay. So I will be the official
Mixer up.
messer-upper of the cuberer.
Is it okay to put them in my order so I know?
You can do them in any order you want.
Is it okay to put them? So I don't.
But as soon as I've messed them up, you can do whatever you like. So I always feel when I'm messing them up, I don't know where you stop really messing up. Sometimes I feel like I'm actually making it easier. But
On the 3x3, it's sometimes, and the 2x2, it doesn't really matter how much you mess it up. However, on things like the pyramids and the Ivy Cube, it does.
so I need to mess them up quite a lot.
Yeah, I've actually, a month or 2 ago, I actually got this massive delivery box, okay, cool, and it was full of different Rubik's Cubes. Mega makes, it's got the mirror cube, 2x2 and 2x3, it's literally insane. Like, all these cubes are so mind-turning. It's insane, and I don't even have most of them here.
Well, you've got the 4x4.
5x5.
And you've got 5x5, so we've got plenty more challenges. Now this one, I'm just going to show you the camera because I've never seen this one. This one is crazy.
I can actually solve this.
It's like I struggle to even work out how to mess this one up.
You know what people, YouTubers and Rubik's Cubers say is easier than this one, is 3x3, and it is when you learn it.
Does that look messed up?
Not really.
It feels like I've messed it up right there.
That's fine.
Is
That's
that messed?
fine.
Is that messed up?
Yeah, I don't know.
Couple more twists. Look, see, I'm trying to twist it, and it's not even twisted.
Because get the headlights on the video.
And then lastly, this one,
The pyramid. I love that one. My friends.
I can't do any of these. So it's quite a strange feeling when your daughter actually gets to the point where she can do things that you can't.
Ha ha ha. I'm insane.
Is that messed up enough? Look, see, I'm feels like I'm actually putting it back to what it was.
It does look like it, yes, but you
Does
don't.
it look harder? Does that look hard enough?
It's fine.
Right, okay, there we go. So I've messed it up as much as I can. Okay, do you want to put them in the right order? Whichever
This
order you
one,
want to
this
do them.
one, you actually put them in the correct order. You
Okay.
actually put them in the correct order in the group.
And I'm going to get the first of the hot sauces ready. Do it away from
Can I have a look
at the hot sauce.
at the Rubik's Cube? Like,
No
Look at
prepping.
it.
No prepping. Okay. So I'll be in charge of the timer, and I will get the sauces ready. Okay.
yes.
Do you feel? Tell the camera. Do you feel ready to begin?
Never.
Are you going to begin?
Yes. For the sake of people.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we've had tropical storm first. Nice big chunks of chili in there.
Goodness.
Five, four, three, two, one. That's the Chili Bob's Burmese mango sauce. Now we move on to the Chili of the Valley garlic sauce.
At the end of the day, if I just go over, we can restart from the HotPods.
Hot sauce does really put you off. You can tell I've seen you practicing loads of times, and you definitely are slow when you've had hot sauce.
I don't even know what's going on here right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the garlic. Okay, next we'll go for the Chili Project Bongo sauce. Two minutes 35. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next we move into the Badger's mild sweet pepper sauce.
What?
To get in the better of it.
Fine then. What? It's twisted. Ah, I messed up.
I'm giving. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, move on to the Born to Hula Harvest sauce. This is pumpkin and apple, cinnamon. Does put you off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. And are we going to get
Done.
Done. Well done. 5 minutes 5. I'm going to show the camera them all just to show that they're all done. Show it all the way around.
Now do this.
Well done. That was really, really good. So that was all 5 of them done in 5 minutes 5. So I hope you were entertained by that. She does love doing them. And we're working on a 4th Rubik's Cube challenge. So yeah, if you liked it, yeah, maybe you could subscribe to All About Chillies YouTube channel, and you can see the other 2 and maybe future ones. So thank you very much for watching.
Thank you,
Alex, back to you.
Wow. Seriously. Maisy, you are amazing.
Thank you.
You probably really want some ice cream right now, don't you?
She's got some lined up.
Thank you very much, Alex.
Yes.
For doing this.
Thank you, Alex and Vicky, very much. I didn't say it before in our slot for HotPods because I was in character. But
That was you?
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much for all that you've done.
My legs are trembling.
And putting it all on, and it's just the organisation and everything. It's no mean feat to do all this, and you've been absolutely brilliant. So thank you for accommodating us, and thank you to everyone who's watched.
I'm gonna let her go because she wants ice cream worse than anything else in the world at the moment. So take care. Thank you, Maisy.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Bye.
Fantastic. Ta-da.